If you have a Toyota Yaris Cross like that one and you want to learn the locations of the Isofix and Top Tether points for child seats, then check out this video. Hi guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. My name is Ross and that is a 2025 Toyota Yaris Cross. And in this video, I'm going to show you the locations of our Isofix points and Top Tether locations for child seats in the rear of the car. So obviously we're going to open up our rear door and look in the rear of the car. Now I would just like to comment that I know you can put a forward facing car seat in the front of the car, but it's not recommended, and you certainly never put one rear facing because of the airbag system. So we're just going to look in the back of the car here, and there's actually two Isofix positions, which is on the left and the right hand side of the car, and you can actually see the Isofix anchors behind these plastic bits here. So you actually take those bits of plastic off and you can see the bars in there. So you actually clip your Isofix fixing around them like that. So nice and simple. Like I say, there is two positions for Isofix in this car, but it is said that you can actually fit 3 car seats across the back, but the middle one would need to use the seat belt. More of a traditional method rather than Isofix. Now, not every car seat has Isofix, some just use the seat belt anyway. I always like to make sure I use those secondary clips to clip the seat belt nice and tight as well, so you might want to look into getting those. But regardless, if it's a seat belt or Isofix, all of the car seats use a top tether point. So for those, we're going to go into the boot of the vehicle, and I have just removed the parcel shelf just for better visibility, but the top tethers I'm going to come over either side of the headrest and come down, and you'll see there's this picture here that says top tether, and just below that there's actually a slit in the carpet and you can just see a bar in there. That is our top tether, so you actually put the top tether around that. So that's for the two Isofix positions on left and right, and for the middle position again over the headrest, and just down here there's a plastic cover. Flick that down and then that is the top tether there. There you go. Hopefully you found that interesting and helpful. If you are struggling, please reach out in the comments down below and I'll try and respond as quick as I can. But if you found that interesting and helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.